Hi, my name is Joel Matthew, UR15CS177. This is my fourth experiment from Java Programming Lab, and in this we are going to be using the concept of inheritance. So the question given to me is to create a base class called worker in which we have the attributes salary and salary rate and name. So and we have a method compay which is going to be overridden in its derived classes, which are daily worker and salaried worker. And there are some conditions like we have to take the number of days extra, so we have another uh, attribute in daily worker, and in this salaried worker we have the condition that how many hours worked in a week by the worker is irrelevant. We will take it as 40, and we have to implement using runtime polymorphism in the main method. So let's see this program. So we have created the required attributes and its getters and setters in this base class worker, and we have created a function with no body, actually compay, in this worker, which is actually overridden in its derived class daily worker, and we have the required attributes and the getter and setters. So in this salaried worker also we have again overridden this compay function, and we have the required getters and setters. So let's see the main program. So again, to take values from the user, we have to create an object of scanner class, and we have to create the required local variables, and we have actually created the object for daily worker, and this is assigned to a reference variable of type daily worker again, which is d, and this d is again assigned to reference variable w1 of class worker. So we are going to be using this object w1 to actually implement runtime polymorphism. So using w1 we take the values for name, salary rate, and using d we are going to take the values for the number of days worked in a week. So and the hours is also taken. So now using the reference variable w1 we are calling compay. So this is actually where we are using runtime polymorphism, and again we are going to be creating an object of salaried worker, and again this is assigned to a w2 which is of class worker, and we again call the necessary methods. So let's see how this program runs. So the worker details are asked for daily worker, so let's enter some details. So let's set the salary rate as 120 rupees per hour, the working days as 6, and let's set the number of hours in a day as 5. So this is the salary of the daily worker per week, and let's see for salaried worker, and the salary rate as 1200, and the working hours is irrelevant as it is by default taken as 40, so it doesn't matter actually how many hours the worker works, it will be taken as 40. So this is the weekly salary of the salary worker. So I hope this program was helpful for you.